back to the industry. And syempre, kung meron ba tayong i-highlight, mag-highlight ba tayo ng ibang lahi when it comes to being recognized in the global stage? Syempre, kung ano yung atin, yun yung pagyayamanin natin, di ba? Yun yung, doon tayo mag-i-invest, doon tayo, sila yung i-highlight natin with this performance because they deserve that strenuous amount of years of training and dedication, honing their craft. I mean, yun eh. Despite of everything that's happening around us right now, I think at the end of the day, wala namang sasalo sa Pinoy kundi kapwa Pinoy din. So that's the vision that we have, that we share together. Na this is a start of a lot of opportunities to be able to highlight Filipino talent. Kasi in a way, kapag naiangat natin yung standards ng mga performers, eventually baka isa rin tong way or movement for the negative connotations about the Philippines and Filipinos to be washed down the drain. And I think all of us share that same advocacy dahil there's a lot of reasons to highlight our country. But of course, syempre, hindi siya magyayari kung walang magsisimula, kung walang magsispearhead. So I think that's what we have right now as a group and within this partnership.